My research program is about mollusk shellfish aquaculture and restoration. Basically, the purpose is to advance the Florida shellfish aquaculture. My current research project is around the major aquaculture species in Florida. The first one is mercenaria, and commonly called hard clams. Second species is eastern oyster. For hard clam, and its aquaculture in Florida started in the early 1990s, and also almost 30 years history. Broodstock used for most hatchery seed production is still just selected from the farmed individuals. So no specific strains or lines have been developed. In this area, for this species, we may say my current research project included the first one. We tried to initiate breeding program focusing on growth and survival. And the second project working on, we're trying to develop heat resistance hard clams, like to overcome the high mortality during the summer in Florida. My research scope includes shellfish aquaculture and genetics, focusing majorly on shellfish aquaculture genetics, selective breeding, or include some molecular genetics, reproduction, or immunology, physiology, and restoration. The overall goal is to create it and produce superior strains or lines through breeding program or genetic manipulations to enhance the shellfish aquaculture. In the United States, mollusk shellfish aquaculture is a $442 million industry, and in Florida, there's over 350 small family-based farms and for shellfish aquaculture. So the long-term goal of my research program is to genetically improve the strains or wild populations and to support the industry for seed production.